ChemHouse.com.
Hi students, many of you are still thinking whether I should appear for IIT Advanced or not. Okay, so for them, whether I should appear IIT Advanced or not is the still question. Okay, first of all, appearing is itself is a doubt. Understood? Whether I should appear or not. First doubt. Okay, second doubt I am going to tell you. If I appear, okay, how strategy? What is the strategy for this session? Okay, in the very short span of time. Okay, so these are the two things I am going to tell you. Why you should appear? First of all, the very good news is this time advanced appearing applied candidates itself is the lowest number. Okay, only 1.6 lakhs. Only 1.6 lakhs of students only applied for the advanced. Okay, all of you must aware that 2,50,000 students are eligible to appear exam IIT Advanced. Okay, so that means almost that competition is reduced to 1/4, but reduced by 1/4, not reduced to 1/4. Only 60% students are appearing. Okay, and out of the 60% of students appearing are going to face some family problems. Okay, are going to face some family problems due to their health issues in the COVID-19. Okay, COVID-19. If they are not infected, their relatives, their family members are infected. Okay, so their preparation may not be appropriate, accurate. Understood? So even you may also be one of them. Okay, so eligibility for advance itself is very nice, and you are without competing with, just you have applied means your competition is reduced by 90,000 students are out of the competition. Okay, so already we have seen this time the examinations by NTA is very easy. Okay, you may think that it may be difficult for you, see, because there is no scale for the easy and difficult. For an individual, the same question paper may be very hard. For an individual, same question paper may be very easy. Okay, but in comparison to what they are supposed to, because after conducting the examination in January, the exam level must increase sharply, because this is the second chance they are going to give you now. Okay, so but that much improvement in the depth of the question is not found in the mains. And you can understand NEET exam was very easy. Okay, so you can understand even ICAR exam, okay, which is for agriculture, that examination was difficult when comparison to NEET. This is the students saying about their level of the examination. ICAR, it is agriculture related, but it is more depth, more difficult than the NEET, because they understood that it is very difficult for the students to come to the examination hall with a clear mind. So that may be effect. First of all, strength appearing candidate itself is decreased. Okay, so they understand this family problems. Therefore examination is going to be expecting, it is my expectation, there is no official news, examination is going to be easy. Understood? So if you are a repeater or a dropper, then you should never miss a chance. Okay, so first of all, reason, if you are still thinking whether to appear or not, my preparation level is not up to the mark, don't worry, you appear. If at least this time if you are not appearing, definitely next time you are not going to clear that, because most of the students, the 90,000 students who were eligible but could not give this time due to some reason, they will be added up in the next year. and this year preparing students. Okay, so don't unnecessarily increase your competitors. Okay, so definitely let the preparation level be anything, try to appear without any reason. Okay, but take care of your health, take care of your mind status, keep it in a positive mind status, and prepare strategically. Okay, because there are a lot of disturbances in your family side. Studying in an institute, regularly attending the class, and preparing from home, there is a lot of difference. But if you are aiming for that and if you wanted to be an IITian, you have to do that. Okay, and this time the easiest way will be, you will not get this type of chance in forthcoming 3 to 4 years, because next time competition is going to be little bit tougher than this. Number of appearing candidates will improve, because mains also we have seen lot of drops in the appearing candidates itself. 13 lakhs was expected, around 6.5 to 7 lakhs only appeared, and most of them are absent to the examinations. Okay, and around most of them are half-minded because of their family problems. So if you are physically very fit and no problem of any health reasons in you or your family members, definitely you should and you will be selected in the IIT. Okay, so that is the first thing. Then strategy. Okay, so the main problem is that we have got less time. This much less time we never got for any type of advanced examination within a short span of time. Okay, so definitely hard working will not give you. Strategy should be very high. Okay, so all of you must be aware. If not aware, kindly see that I am offering a IIT advanced crash course. Okay, IIT advanced crash course whose name is Free Fire. Okay, what is the name of that series? Free Fire series. Understood? To inculcate some interest in you, I have to do that. Understood? So advanced crash course is aiming at, mostly I will discuss the previous questions. If I discuss same to same previous question, then no use, because it is not going to repeat. Understood? So based upon the previous questions, adding something, I am discussing the questions, because at this point of time I will teach you theory, then you will convert into questions, though no time for you. Okay, so directly I am giving you challenging question, and where the students are doing the mistake, how you should not do, and where you should work on. Everything you will get for the question. In and around of that question I am explaining. Okay, mostly shortcuts, general mistakes done by the students, everything I am covering. Okay, so for chemistry you believe on me, and physics and mathematics you can rely on your own teachers. Understood? So if you attend all the sessions, already some lectures are uploaded and some lectures are going to be uploaded. So if you attend all lectures, definitely from chemistry side your selection to the IITs is going to be very sure. Okay, so I think all of you, main thing is start from the beginning and read up to the end. Don't lose your hope, don't lose your intensity towards study at between. Okay, so maintain the proper notes, and before examination if you just scan it and you should revise it, that much good notes you should maintain. Okay, so I think whatever I wanted to tell you, last 3 years this much less strength is never found. Okay, lowest among the last 3 years. This is official figures, you can google it and check. Understood? So 90,000 students are out of your competition. Without doing anything, just appearing, you are reducing your rank and increasing your chance. Okay, if you follow this strategy, definitely you will be an IITian, and I wanted a party from you, from the CHEM family. Okay, bye bye, see you, all the best. Don't forget to follow this IIT advanced crash course Free Fire. Okay, bye, see you.